Integrating indoor plants into your home decor is a beautiful way to bring life, color, and a sense of tranquility to your living spaces. Plants can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home while also offering numerous health benefits, such as improving air quality and boosting your mood. This essay will guide you through the process of choosing the right plants, selecting stylish planters, creating plant clusters, utilizing vertical gardens, incorporating plants in unusual places, and changing your displays seasonally. Let's explore how to elegantly integrate indoor plants into your home. Choosing the right plants. Selecting the right plants for your home is the first step to successful integration. It's essential to consider the lighting conditions and the care requirements of different plants. Low light areas, for spaces with limited natural light, such as bathrooms or interior rooms, opt for low light tolerant plants. Snake plants, pothos, and ZZ plants are excellent choices. These plants are hardy, easy to care for, and can thrive in dimly lit environments. Bright light areas, if you have areas with plenty of sunlight, such as near windows or sunrooms, choose plants that thrive in bright, indirect light. Succulents, fiddle leaf figs, and spider plants are ideal for these spots. They add a vibrant touch and are relatively easy to maintain. Humidity considerations, some plants, like ferns and orchids, prefer humid environments. These are perfect for bathrooms where the humidity levels are naturally higher. Ensure you match the plant's needs with the specific conditions of your home to promote healthy growth. When selecting plants, consider their growth habits and size. Choose a mix of tall, medium, and small plants to create visual interest and balance in your decor. Stylish planters and pots. The containers you choose for your plants play a significant role in the overall aesthetic. Planters and pots are not just functional but also decorative elements that can enhance your interior design. Minimalist aesthetic, for a clean and modern look, opt for sleek, neutral-colored pots. White, black, or gray ceramic pots are versatile and blend seamlessly with most decor styles. The simplicity of these pots highlights the beauty of the plants themselves. Bohemian vibe, if you prefer a more eclectic and vibrant style, mix and match colorful and patterned pots. Terracotta pots, macrame hangers, and woven baskets add texture and a bohemian charm to your plant displays. Experiment with different shapes and sizes to create an interesting visual dynamic. Proportion and size, it's crucial to consider the size of the pot in relation to the plant. The pot should be proportional to the plant's size, not too small to restrict growth and not too large to overwhelm the plant. Additionally, ensure the pot has proper drainage to prevent waterlogging and root rot. The right planters can transform your indoor plant setup into a stylish and cohesive part of your home decor. Creating plant clusters. Grouping plants together in clusters is an elegant way to create a mini indoor garden and a focal point in any room. Varying heights and types, use plants of different heights and types to add depth and visual interest. Tall plants like fiddle leaf figs can be placed at the back, medium-sized plants like peace lilies in the middle, and smaller plants like succulents at the front. This layering effect creates a natural and balanced look. Plant stands and shelves, elevate your plant clusters by using plant stands and shelves. Tiered plant stands are perfect for showcasing multiple plants in a compact space. Floating shelves or wall-mounted shelves can be used to create vertical displays, making use of the height of your walls. Decorative trays, arrange smaller plants on decorative trays for a cohesive and organized look. Trays help contain any water spills and make it easy to move the plants around when needed. Creating plant clusters not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also makes it easier to care for the plants, as they are all in one place. Vertical gardens and wall planters. If you're short on floor space, vertical gardens and wall planters are fantastic solutions. Wall-mounted planters can turn a blank wall into a green masterpiece. You can use individual wall pots or a living wall system. These not only save space, but also add a unique and modern touch to your decor. Incorporating plants in unusual places. Think outside the box when it comes to placing your plants. Bathrooms, kitchens, and even hallways can benefit from a touch of greenery. Hanging plants in the bathroom can thrive in the humidity, while a small potted herb garden in the kitchen can be both decorative and functional. Hallways can be brightened up with trailing plants on high shelves or cabinets. Seasonal and rotating displays. Another elegant idea is to change your plant displays with the seasons. This keeps your decor fresh and dynamic. In the spring, you might highlight blooming flowers, while in the fall, you can showcase rich, leafy greens. Rotating plants around your home also gives them a better chance to thrive as they experience different light conditions. Conclusion: integrating indoor plants into your home can bring life, color, and a sense of tranquility. Whether you have a green thumb or are just starting out, there's a perfect plant and display method for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home decor tips and inspiration. See you next time.